Hello everybody. Hey, I just want to show you this digital let-off rack that I came up with. Notice how beautiful it is. Notice these two knobs here on the front. So obviously you would have your piano action right here. This is your let-off rack that represents the height of the strings. This is your left side and this is your right side. And you have absolute total control over this thing. Show you the maximums and the minimums just for the heck of it. Switch that one, switch that one. So you can easily just take it exactly where you want it. One thing that's really nice too is if, say you pull your action out and you set a left and a right height for two hammers, slide it in just like this and then push a key and then gently raise this up until you get that let off just right on that key, and then obviously do the same thing with this one right here. Or go through and measure your string heights. But anyway, notice the battery gauge right here. That lets you know what's going on with the battery. There's a 6-volt battery that's inside of this column right now. So, and it lasts a long time. And the way you turn this thing off and on is you just pull that little wire out right there. This thing goes in and out like that. It also, you can loosen the screws right here and right there and slide this thing along this X rail anywhere you want it to go. And then loosen right here and then slide that anywhere you want it to go. So it's completely customizable, super handy. And when you're done using it, just unplug it like that and you're good to go. Oh, and just one other thing, this thing goes in and out like that too. So, okay.